If you've ever finished editing in Photopea and wondered how to export your design the right way, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to export Photopea step by step, so you can save your project in the best format for your needs. Whether you're making a transparent logo, a social media graphic, a photo edit, or a printable file, choosing the right export option makes a big difference. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. All right, let's get started. First, go to the top menu bar in Photopea and click File. This is where all of your saving and exporting options are located. Once the menu opens, hover your mouse over Export As. That will reveal a list of different file formats you can choose from. Now here's the part that matters most. Pick the format that fits your project. If you need a transparent background or you're exporting sharp text, logos, or vector-style graphics, PNG is usually the best choice. PNG keeps clean edges and supports transparency, which makes it perfect for thumbnails, graphics, and design assets. If you're exporting a regular photograph, a wallpaper, or a social media image that does not need transparency, JPG is the better option. JPG files are usually smaller, which makes them easier to upload and share online. Just keep in mind that JPG does not support transparent backgrounds. If your design includes vector shapes, icons, or a logo that needs to scale to any size without getting blurry, SVG is a great choice. This format is ideal when you want your artwork to stay crisp at any resolution. And if you're working on a document, printable template, or multi-page layout, PDF is the format you want. PDF is especially useful when you need a file that can be viewed or printed across different devices with consistent results. Once you click the format you want, Photopea will open a Save for Web Configuration box. This is where you can fine-tune the final export before downloading it. At the top of the window, look for the width and height boxes. If you want to make your file smaller or larger, you can type in new pixel dimensions right there. This is helpful if you need to resize your image before saving it. If you selected JPG, take a look at the quality slider near the bottom. You can move it up to 100% if you want the highest quality possible, or lower it to around 85% if you want to reduce the file size while still keeping a nice sharp result. For most web uploads, 85% is a great balance between quality and performance. When everything looks good, click the green Save button at the bottom of the window. Photopea will process your design and download the exported file directly to your computer, usually into your Downloads folder. From there, you can open it, upload it, or share it wherever you need. So that's how to export Photopea quickly and correctly. Just remember, choose the right format, check your size settings, adjust quality if needed, and save your file. It's a simple process once you know where everything is, and it can save you a lot of time when working on different kinds of projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.